Jay-Z Production. So, I'm back for another video, but this time I am again with Beatrix. Say hi.
Hi! And please also subscribe, like, and share to our channel and Beatrix channel, and also to the
Jay-Z and Beatrix Vlogs. We just posted our first vlog in our channel, so check it out. So this time, we are thinking about to do about the food challenge. So naisipan
a
namin
candy challenge.
gumawa ng guess the candy challenge. So
So, tignan nyo na lang po doon sa Jay-Z and Beatrix Vlogs.
Guys.
Meron kaming vlogs dyan.
sinabi namin doon kung ano yung video na gagawin namin. So yeah. So sa loob ng cups na to, nandito na yung mga candies. Yan. At kailangan din natin ng
Blindfold.
Yep, this is our blindfold. So yan, mag rock, paper, scissors muna kami para malaman kung sino mauuna. Rock, paper, scissors. So, blindfold na. So, ako muna yung unang iba-blindfold at manghuhula ng candy. Okay? Okay, open na din.
Okay. I know. Hey, wait. There. And I'm gonna go open up. Say ah. If you don't know what's name,
I don't know the name, but I know it's color red. Yun yung red na candy malambot.
that's a and what's name?
I don't know.
Quick. That's why sweet strawberry jelly. Why?
That was disgusting.
And guys, my turn.
Akin na blindfold. That was disgusting. So, I didn't get a point for that round.
Aray!
Ay, sorry.
Ouch.
Okay, so, be ready.
Yes.
So, let's get a candy.
Guys.
This is the candy. Just wait. I am opening it up. You have
No!
you have to say the name of the candy.
Okay. Oh, I know this one. Sweet apple jelly.
Oh my god, she knew it. So, we got a point. She got a point. She got a point. My
And
turn
guys,
again.
Hey, wait, guys. So,
Take it up by wherever you go.
okay. And second one.
Bawal na pong ulitin kapag nakain ng candy ah.
Okay.
Dapat doon na po sa kabilang player. Ay, sorry.
Ouch.
Wherever you go, take time, no.
Not on your hands, only on your mouth. Oh.
I'm waiting.
Ah. This is many. Wait. Another one.
I love it. This is choco.
Correct. And it's yummy. Yummy. Very yummy.
Okay, your turn. Enough. I love that choco. I put it on the sandwich. On my sandwich, and it's tastes
Ouch!
good.
That's hurt.
She always say ouch.
Because it's hurt.
Mm.
What? Ate.
What?
Hello. Hello. Who's there? I know it. Be fresh.
Right. I'm also eating.
This is ang bubble gum.
My turn again. Goodbye.
Guys. This is guys. And then the left. Yeah. And let's go. Say Oops, sorry.
What's
Say
that?
Oops.
I will eat it na nga. I know this. This is Mentos.
You're correct.
I love Mentos. I love Mentos. Guys, this is the candy. So yeah. I know she know this.
Hmm? Yeah. What?
Wait.
Give me
The candy jump.
It's Max.
I already know that
Yellow.
she knows.
My
She already got 2 points.
3 points.
She got 3 points. And I've got 2 points.
I don't like to. Guys, this is the candy. Wait, I'm gonna go open. And guys, she ate it. What lollipop? There.
Lollipops. Grapes?
Correct! She's correct. 3 points and 3 points.
Okay guys, this is the candy. So I will open it.
Guys, I cannot see you guys. No, this one. Sweet strawberry jelly.
Good job. You got 4 points.
Oh.
Ew.
Guys, this is the candy again. Wait, this is the candy again. She know this. I know. Here. Say oh. She know it.
Another Mentos.
Yes, she know it.
I got 4 points.
Yes, she got 4 points.
So guys, it is the last round. It is a tiebreaker because we You got 4 points. We both got 4 points, so this is the last time. If she didn't guess it, then we are tied. If she guessed it, then she's the winner. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, you need to say the flavor, okay?
I know it.
You need to say the flavor
Okay.
or the name.
Okay.
Just wait.
So,
Okay, ready?
I know this one. Choco Choco.
Yeah. So she got 5 points, so yeah, she's the winner. So her prize is this lollipop. Yes. But I got mine too.